Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to flip column headings to become row headings in Excel. To begin, I have a spreadsheet open with a series of column headings, Q1 through Q4, and total. If I wanted to reconstruct this table, I might want these as row headings. So I'm going to select these cells, and then I'm going to go up to the Home toolbar and click Copy. And now I'm going to click in a destination cell, and I'll go to the Paste drop-down and select Paste Special. From here, I'm going to choose Transpose and click OK. And when I transpose, it transposes them from going across to going down. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to flip column headers into row headers in Microsoft Excel.